Welcome to Unboxing Hiver. We're excited to introduce Individual to shared inbox automation. Now, this feature is actually designed to tackle a common issue where customers often email their account owners directly instead of using the shared support address. And look, it makes sense. While it's quite natural for this to happen, especially when there's an ongoing relationship, it poses several challenges. For instance, admins lose visibility into those emails, the rest of the team struggles to collaborate on them, and emails risk getting lost if team members are out of office or leave the organization. Plus, Hiver's powerful features like automations, SLAs, tags, analytics, and business hours can't be applied. This is exactly where Hiver's individual to shared inbox automation becomes a game changer. With this feature, any email from a whitelisted customer that lands in a team member's individual inbox gets moved automatically to the shared inbox. Super simple, right? All you need to do is head to your shared inbox, select individual inbox automations to create one, and make sure to give it a name. When you're choosing the trigger, you can pick which individual inboxes you want to include, so you can be really specific about which emails should get moved. Now, when you're setting the conditions, you can choose based on either the customer's email address or the domain. For this example, let's just pick email. Next, you can choose the is option to manually list out all the customer emails one by one, or you can use the is present in option to leverage your custom object to dynamically map your emails to owners. So now here's what happens. Whenever a new conversation comes in, the rule checks. Okay, is the from email whitelisted? If yes, boom. It moves that email straight to the shared inbox where the rule was created. Once you've saved and turned on the rule, just head to your inbox, and next time a matching email shows up, you'll see the automation kick in, adding that conversation right where it belongs in the shared inbox.